I think everybody's got like this one 808 that just smacks way too fucking hard. And I think it blew one of my speakers because it sounds like doo-doo. All right, so I am proud to announce that we got some new gear. I got myself an MPC Live 2. Got it for a great deal. The guy was selling it for 700 bucks. It was the gold edition. I don't think those are that popular. I was trying to get a retro, but ended up finding this dope skin. And I thought the gold accent with the like MPC akai gray, oh man, that shit is sexy. Actually already blew one of the speakers testing out like some 808s. I think everybody's got like this one 808 that just smacks way too fucking hard. And I think it blew one of my speakers because it sounds like doo-doo. There's no videos online how to replace the speaker. And this was pretty expensive. It was 40 bucks for this. I got it on MPC stuff. Looks like they just got it straight from InMusic. So I'm gonna see if I can get them, you know, on the low directly from the supplier, because 40 bucks for this tiny little speaker, you know, that's like a JBL flip or some shit. There's a couple videos that show you how to open it, to change out the pads, but I think the speaker shouldn't be that hard to do. So I'm gonna do that. I'll list everything you're gonna need. You're just gonna need one, an MPC with a blown speaker. One of these like Torx, like little, you can use them for like Macs, phones. It has like all the small Philips and Torx drivers. It's a CRAFTSMAN one. You could probably get it for like 10 bucks. I'm gonna start opening it up. I gotta take out a couple things here, get this all cleaned up. That way I have a clean slate and I don't lose any screws, because that would suck. Let me see if I can isolate like the base. Where was it? Yeah, hear that? Pretty sure you can hear it there, but I'm gonna be fixing that. Put like double-sided tape, some really strong one, for this mount right here. As you can see, I'm grabbing it from the mount, and this shit is kind of hard to take off. So this is the first step, so that we can get all the screws necessary to take off the back. And then once everything is done, I think it'll be pretty easy. You're gonna need something like soft to put this. I have this from the case. Flip this, and now all the buttons should be fine. Okay, first you're gonna get your T8, right? This one right here, it's the star pattern one, and there's gonna be 4 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just remember that these go in these corners, all right? Okay, next get a Phillips number 1, okay? And then the rest of them, we're gonna get every single one. I think there's only 2 short ones. The rest are all the same length. So it's just these 2 short ones. The rest of them are the regular size. So remember that up here, 1 and 2, there's these 2 short ones. They're about yay big. Okay. Next is to take off these bolts right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Get this one, that one, that one. This one right here. This one is a long one. So be careful where you put that one. As you can see, it's a little longer. Okay. Keep track of all of them. What the fuck? Oh my god. All right. I'll be back. And I'm back. Got my Klein. Got the big guns for this one. Okay, so you gotta unscrew these little hex, threaded hex bolts on here. That is what's holding, so all the outputs and inputs have them. Okay, so it's size 14. If you can't get it open, I'm just using some scissors. It has like little things. It looks like it's working. Just enough to get it loose. I think we are gonna have to take this off, so my bad. No harm, no foul, okay? Okay, and then I think we can just disconnect. Put that off to the side, and then let's see if we can open this. Okay. That is what we like to see. I believe the speaker in question was this one right here. This is the one that was blown. I'm gonna figure out how to open this grill because it looks like the screws are under, so figure that out, but this is the replacement. But you do need to take everything off here. Unfortunately, this whole process is kind of needed just to get access to these little slots right here. This is where the grill is. Just get like a flathead very carefully. Try not to break all this. This is all plastic right here. But yeah, I got it to finally open. As you can see, the grill's right here. It was inside this like little slot, and then I just got a flathead and kept jamming it. Got another one, did it right here, and then it just all popped off. So I got the grill off. I got it off right here, but it has like a lip, so you have to get it off here and on this side at the same time in order to get it out without damaging it. So here's the grill. You can see that it has lips on both sides, so it goes in perfectly like that. So that's how it needs to come out. It needs to come out, pop out like that. Boom. Okay. Oops. Okay, yeah, you gotta be careful because this thing will turn on. Okay, looks like the red goes to the big tab, and then the black goes to the little tab. So you can see here on this new one, I'm not sure if you can see that, but the tab there, this is the skinny tab. So the skinny tab gets black, this one gets red. Just gonna strip it. Okay, got your wire right there, so you can see. And I think I'm just gonna, it has little holes, if you guys can see that. There's a little hole. I think I'm just gonna put the wire there, and I got some electrical tape, and I'm just gonna wrap it, and that'll be fine. Honestly, it's not gonna go anywhere. Just make sure you strip it enough to go in there, loop around, and then twist on itself, and then just wrap that in tape, and that'll be solid. Got it in there. I folded it in so that it got a really good fold. And I'll see if I can show you guys how exactly I did that. Okay, you can use your tool to bend it up and over. Okay, that's making really good contact. All right, got them all in. Just gonna screw back in, start putting everything back together. Okay, putting this back together, I just finished putting on these 4 screws that we took out. I got a tiny piece of gaff tape. I'm just gonna put that on there. This just goes in like that. I think I snap in the bottom first, and then the top. These two get the short ones, these top 2 right here. And then the corners, 4 corners are hex, and then the rest should all be the same size. Okay, let's see how this goes. All right, sounds pretty good to me. Does sound better than this. Am I gonna blow another one? Probably. But I'm not gonna pay $40 for this shit. All right, well, there you have it. It was not an easy task, I will say that. It's definitely for somebody who has skills like opening up computers, working on phones, things like that. I have a lot of experience splicing stuff, wiring my own stuff. Wasn't that big for me. I've done bigger projects, but yeah, didn't find anything on how to replace the speaker. I did it. Everything works. Speaker sounds fine. Sounds a whole lot better than this, whatever this one was going on with this one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any trouble doing this. Definitely, if you have the warranty, use it. In my case, I didn't. I bought it secondhand. But for $700, can't complain. I'm a DIYer anyway, so I'll get it done. Peace.